Hi, everyone. It's meteorologist Justin Stapleton. Let's get you set on what we're expecting as we go in towards Friday's forecast. We're likely going to be dealing with some showers and thunderstorms, courtesy of this. This is a big area of low pressure. You can see the swirl working its way just outside of Las Vegas, digging southward. That's the jet stream at south. So there's a potential that this could bring in some strong thunderstorms as we go in towards our Friday forecast. Now, what we're going to be talking about is a couple of different models. Our short-range models are going to talk about the chance for severe weather. We could see anything from some strong winds, heavy downpours, lightning, even some small hails, not out of the question. Right now, looks like the biggest threat for that will likely be just to the south of I-10, a little further south and west of Metro Houston. So let's start with our first short-range model. This is at 7 o'clock on Friday. We're going to start it in the morning. Notice as we take it through about 10 o'clock, we see showers and thunderstorms from right outside of Columbus towards College Station in the Brazos Valley. As we go through the noon hour, that's starting to smack its way across much of the Metro Houston. So expect that that could be a bit of trouble for lunchtime. Then as we take it through the afternoon, by 2 o'clock, the majority of the heavy rain is pushing south to the coast and a little further east. And as we go in towards the latter half of the afternoon, when Fan Fest would start for Game 1 of the World Series down at Minute Maid Park, cloudy for sure, maybe a little leftover wetness on the ground, but for the most part, fairly dry, and then just some light shower chances as we get to first pitch by Friday night going in towards early Saturday. So how much rain does that make? Well, that basically says there's a chance that we could see anywhere from around a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain. So some decent heavy downpours not out of the question. So that's the first model. Now let's go to the second solution, or this is our other short-range model. Notice that this one, starting at 7 o'clock, instead of the rain being right around the I-35 corridor, is a little further west, meaning that when it comes in, it's going to be a little slower. This will be a little more complicating if this is the case, because by 12 o'clock, it's still to the west of College Station. Then as we take it through 3, 4 o'clock, where we're getting into Fan Fest, of course, folks heading downtown, that's when we could be looking at some fairly messy weather, even some strong thunderstorms by 4 or 5 o'clock. Take that through about 6, 7 o'clock, and there's still rain around as we approach first pitch by 7:03. Then as we go through the rest of the evening, even through about 11 o'clock, we're still looking at a chance for some showers and thunderstorms that will be left over. So if this is the case, this scenario shows that it could be a bit of a washout for a good chunk of our Friday forecast. Now, that said, most of the rain chances there, or most of the rain totals, basically show the same thing, that we'll likely be looking anywhere from around a half an inch to an inch of rain. So here's our forecast of what we feel we'll see as we go in towards Friday's forecast. Windy, stormy for sure by 1 o'clock. By 4 or 5 o'clock, we'll drop the rain chances down to about between 20-30%. Should have that wrapped up. Now, clearly, we'll watch and continue this forecast over the next 12 hours here and get a sense of what we'll see as we get in towards Friday. And if that's the case, then we will make adjustments to that. But either way, just make sure that you keep yourself weather aware here at clicktohouston.com, or make sure you have Frank's free forecast app downloaded on your phone. You'll get the latest updates, notifications, and alerts if any of these storms start to get a little aggressive or turn severe throughout our Friday.